Hello viewers, uh, today we are going to learn idiom 3 that is also important for all exams and daily use as well. So the idiom 3 is, and also in this video we will learn also its meaning and its usage and its explanation in detail and understanding completely fully we will understand it. So idiom 3 is a penny saved is a penny earned. A penny is saved is a penny earned. This is third idiom, and the meaning of this idiom is lies here. This idiom suggests that when you save money in any personal account, you actually earn money. Means you don't spend it, you just earn and save it. You earn and save it means you don't spend. Those who spend all the money they earn, they actually do the action of take and give. That means they just do use of money from one source to another. And this sentence, this paragraph also suggests that we know very well, uh, vendors. You see vendors around in the streets. They earn money, they earn livelihood, they earn only their livelihood. Means they earn and spend, they don't save any money, they don't save any penny. Means those people who save their money in any accounts or any wallet or any lock, and they are called that they earn money. Earn money is saved money. Means saved money is earned money. And those who just earn and spend, earn and spend, earn and spend daily wages, like people who earn daily and spend daily on their domestic needs. Okay, so that's why we call it that earn money and saved money. A penny saved is a penny earned. This is means you, I think, got it. Okay, in Urdu we also learn that जो पैसे हम जमा करते हैं किसी अकाउंट में, किसी तिजोरी में, एक्स्ट्रा पैसे खर्चे के अलावा जो खर्च हो जाते हैं वो अर्न नहीं होते हैं। जो फॉर एग्जांपल जो डेली वेजेस हैं, रोज़ काम करते हैं रोज़ खाते हैं, रोज़ काम करते हैं रोज़ खाते हैं, ये पैसे ये अर्न नहीं करते, ये अर्न नहीं करते। अर्न वो करते हैं जो सेव करते हैं। तो वो लोग जो पैसे सेव करते हैं तो वो ही कमाते हैं, वो ही अर्न करते हैं। जो लोग सेव नहीं करते हैं वो अर्न नहीं करते, वो सिर्फ क्या करते हैं, वो सिर्फ उस मनी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, एक जगह से लेते हैं दूसरी जगह दे देते हैं। तो इस इडियम की यही मीनिंग और एक्सप्लेनेशन है। और इसका यूजेज मैंने एक सेंटेंस बनाया है, लाइक वी लर्न दिस सेंटेंस दैट आई एम मिलियनरी बिकॉज आई हैव अ पेनी सेव्ड इज पेनी अर्नड। तो मैं मिलियनर हो गया हूँ। क्यों मिलियनर हो गए? क्योंकि इसके पास इतने पैसे ज़्यादा हैं, जितने भी कमाए इसने वो अकाउंट में सेव किए हैं इसने, तो अभी ये मिलियनर हो गया है। मिलियनर इसलिए हो गया है क्योंकि जितने पैसे इसने अर्न किए हैं उतने इसने सेव भी किए हैं, इसलिए इसको हम मिलियनर कहते हैं। ठीक है, तो आप एक बार और इसको देख लें। इडियम थर्ड, अ पेनी सेव्ड इज अ पेनी अर्नड। इट्स मीनिंग इज this idiom suggests that when you save money in a personal account, you actually earn money. Those who spend all the money they earn, they actually do the action of take and give. That means they just do use of money from one source to another. Usage: I am a millionaire because I have a penny saved is my penny earned. So subscribe and like. If you like this video, then subscribe, share, comment, and wait for the next idiom that will be appear in front of you soon. Thanks.